Speak English better.
With Copilot Podcast.
Hello and welcome to Copilot Podcast Studio.
Hello, everyone.
Today we are going to do a very special deep dive.
We really are.
This one is designed specifically for you, the English beginner.
Exactly. So if you are just starting to learn English, take a deep breath. You are in the right place.
You really are. Learning a new language, well, it takes a lot of time.
Oh, yeah. It takes time and it takes patience.
Right. So today we are going completely relaxed, very slow, and very encouraging.
Yep. We want this to be a highly supportive space for you.
Today's mission is simple. We are going to learn the basic English words for where you live.
Your home, the rooms inside your house, and what actions we do in those rooms.
Exactly. So before we step inside to look at specific areas, we need to look at the big picture.
Right, the fundamental building blocks.
Right. We are moving from the outside of the dwelling to the inside. And there are two core words here.
House, which is the place where you live.
And room.
Yes, room, which is just a part of the house.
Okay, let's unpack this. Think of a house, like a large main box.
Oh, I like that. A big box.
Right. And a room is simply a smaller box placed inside that big box.
That is a perfect way to visualize it.
So if you are listening, I want you to picture your own big box right now. Your house. And let's practice a basic phrase. My house is big.
My house is big. Right. If we connect this to the bigger picture, grammatically speaking, there's a phrase the source provides that is so important. This is my house.
This is my house. It's so simple, but so powerful.
It really is, because the words "this is" are incredibly common in English.
You use them for everything, right?
Everything. But when you add the word this is my house, you are doing something special.
What's that?
You are claiming ownership of your space.
Oh, hell yeah.
It builds early confidence. You are taking a tiny piece of the English language and saying, this belongs to me.
I love that. You are claiming your territory.
Exactly.
Okay, so we understand the big box, the house, and we know it is divided into smaller boxes, the rooms. Now, humans naturally gravitate toward the most active room in the house, the place where we prepare our meals.
Yes, the kitchen.
The kitchen, the word is kitchen, where you cook food.
Right, and the phrase to remember here is, I cook in the kitchen.
Okay, here's where it gets really interesting.
Yeah.
English connects a specific action cook directly to this specific room.
It does. They're strongly linked.
Think about it. The kitchen is like the engine of a car.
The engine. Oh, I see what you mean.
Yeah, it gives the whole house energy because it makes the food.
That makes total sense. And structurally, looking at I cook in the kitchen, we see a great pattern.
What's the pattern?
It's the formula, I action in the room.
Oh, right. So I, and then the action, and then the room.
Exactly. I cook in the kitchen.
Why is that formula so important for a beginner?
Because once you learn that pattern, you have unlocked a formula you can use for the rest of the house.
Oh, you just swap out the words?
Yes. You don't have to learn a new rule for every room. The grammar stays exactly the same.
That is so helpful. Okay, so cooking requires a lot of energy.
It does, yeah.
And after we fuel up, our bodies eventually need to rest. And we need to wash.
It's a natural human routine.
Right. Which brings us logically to the next two vital rooms. The bedroom, where you sleep, and the bathroom, where you wash.
Right. So using our formula, we say, I sleep in the bedroom.
I sleep in the bedroom. Okay, I have a question about this.
Sure.
Why do bedroom and bathroom have the word room right in their names, but kitchen doesn't?
Ah, that's a great observation.
I mean, English is being really helpful here, right? It's literally calling it a bedroom and a bathroom.
It is. What's fascinating here is that English is using a shortcut. It just glues two simple words together. Bed plus room.
It makes it so much easier to remember.
Exactly.
Yep.
But there's another phrase we need to look at here for the bathroom.
Okay.
Where is the bathroom?
Oh, yeah, that is a big one.
Where is the bathroom?
Yeah.
Is arguably the single most important survival phrase for any beginner to learn.
Definitely. If you are visiting a home where people speak English, you need to know how to ask that.
You really do. So let's repeat it extra slowly for the listener.
Okay.
Where is the bathroom?
Perfect. Just memorize that one exactly as it is.
So knowing all this vocabulary is the first step. House, room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom.
Right. That's the foundation.
But the source material says that to truly master English, we have to move from passive listening to active practice.
Physical practice, yeah.
Right, inside our own homes. The source gives us some practical tips.
Number 1, walk around your house and name the rooms out loud.
And number 2, use that formula we talked about. Action in the room.
Right. And keep it simple with number 3. Just point and say, this is the room.
Okay, I have to push back slightly here.
Oh, why is that?
As a beginner, is it really helpful to walk around talking out loud to myself?
I get why you'd ask that. I mean, won't I feel silly standing in an empty room saying, this is the bedroom to nobody?
It might feel a little silly at first, but this raises an important question about how our brains actually learn a language.
Okay, how does that work?
Well, speaking out loud physically trains the muscles of your mouth.
Oh, I didn't think about the physical muscles.
Yeah, you are forming new shapes with your mouth to make English sounds. You need muscle memory.
Like going to the gym, but for your mouth.
Exactly. And even more importantly, when you connect the spoken word to the physical space you are actually standing in,
right,
it creates a powerful memory link in your brain.
So standing in my actual kitchen helps my brain remember the English word kitchen better than just reading it in a book.
100%. Your brain remembers locations brilliantly. So use your house as your textbook.
That is amazing advice. So we have the words, we have the phrases, and we know how to practice physically.
We are ready to put it all together.
Yes. The final step in the source is a 3-sentence exercise.
This is a great exercise.
It strings these separate pieces together so you can tell a short personal story about your own home.
Right. The exercise goes like this. My house has number rooms.
I love my room.
The kitchen is adjective.
So what does this all mean?
It means you are ready to describe your personal world.
Let me ask you this, though. What if my house only has one room? Like a small apartment? Can I still use this exercise?
Oh, absolutely. This exercise is completely adaptable.
Okay, let's walk the listener through it slowly. Let's fill in the blanks.
So for first sentence, choose your own number. My house has 1 room. Or my house has 4 rooms.
Got it. And the second sentence, choose your own favorite room. I love my bedroom.
Exactly. You're expressing an emotion now. And the third sentence uses an adjective, a describing word.
Like the kitchen is clean or the kitchen is big.
Yes. By choosing your own number, your own favorite room, and your own descriptive word, you are transforming basic vocabulary into personal expression.
It's not just a textbook anymore, it's your life.
Precisely. You own the language now.
This has been such a wonderful journey today.
It really has. We covered a lot of ground.
We did. And if you are listening, you should be very proud. You just learned the foundational building blocks of English home vocabulary.
House, room, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom.
And the core actions for them. Cook, sleep, wash.
I want to congratulate you, the listener, for taking this step. Just remember to take it one word at a time. Keep it simple and clear.
Before we go, we want to leave you with a final thought to explore on your own.
Yes. Think about the specific room in your house where you spend the absolute most time.
The room where you feel the best.
Right. Because you are so comfortable in that specific space, could that actually be the best classroom for you to practice your new English words every day?
Oh, I love that. Using your comfort zone to practice out loud.
Exactly. When you are relaxed, your brain learns faster.
Thank you so much for joining us here at Copilot Podcast Studio. Keep practicing out loud.
Keep up the great work, and goodbye.
Goodbye.